Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. If you guys have a Chevy Cruze, okay, and on the dash guys, on the radio where it says your outside air temperature, it says -40 guys, and you notice that your air conditioner doesn't work guys, we'll explain what causes that in today's video. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do here at the shop. If you need any tools, parts, we'll have the links guys in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out now guys. So Chevy Cruze guys, that's probably the only car that I've seen something like that. When I first noticed that the dash was saying -40 degrees outside, our AC quit working, okay, and I noticed, okay, probably something to do with that, because it was just simultaneous at the same time. And what happened guys, okay, on that Chevy Cruze guys, when it reads -40, it means that it's not reading the ambient air temperature correctly, and it's giving you that wrong information. So what is causing that now guys? You have a sensor that is integrated in the front bumper of that car, okay, and if you look in the bumper, the front left corner on the driver's side right here, you have that sensor. That sensor is known as ambient air temperature sensor. That sensor guys detects how hot the air is, and it tells you on the radio screen. Now if the sensor is bad or it's unplugged, okay, most of the times they just come loose, especially if you tapped it somewhere. What will happen actually, you will get guys, okay, wrong reading. You'll say -40 and your AC most likely will not work because of that sensor, because there guys connected, okay, in that way, and if it doesn't work, the AC doesn't work. So it's very important for that sensor to work. Now if you want to see how to remove, replace it, or check the connection, we have the video on the channel. You do not have to remove your bumper. What we usually do guys, okay, we go underneath, okay, and we remove that plastic piece underneath guys, and you can reach the sensor that way. It's not very complicated at all. And if you need to, okay, you can see right here, and if you need to purchase guys, okay, one sensor, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, and that should take care of your problem. If you guys replace your sensor and you get temperature that is correct on the radio information screen, but the AC still doesn't work guys, we have a video on the channel that explains the top 5 reasons why your AC may not work. So please guys, check it out. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, okay, and see you next time.